Suspicious over any specific government app you downloaded on your Android device? If you are, then this video is here to help you. Let's dive in. Google introduced an update for Google Play that now alerts users if an app is affiliated with a government entity or not. Thankfully, this update solves the annoying issue of fake apps, making it easier to distinguish genuine apps. So, let's see how to do it. First of all, ensure that your Play Store is updated to the latest version. To do that, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and tap your profile picture at the top right corner. In Settings, tap on About, and then tap on Update Play Store. If the Play Store is up to date, you don't need to take any further action. Now, we will show you how to spot government apps on the Play Store. In the US, apps like NASA, Mobile Passport Control, and CBP One have the badge. So, open the Google Play Store and search for a government-affiliated app, such as NASA. Now, look for a government icon above the Install button. If you find one, chances are the app has association with a government body. One bonus tip is that you can use these same steps to verify other apps and avoid falling for impersonated government apps on the Google Play Store. We hope this video has helped you learn something new. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech. Like and share the video if it helped. Also, take a look at one of these videos, curated especially for you. Bye-bye for now.